I guess it's provided me a kind of springboard to go ahead. Like from this, I think my future is boundless, and that's really exciting for me.
My whānau's here with me because I have the pleasure of being the first in my family to graduate from university. So having them here and hopefully inspiring my younger siblings to pursue higher education is what means the world to me.
She has an opportunity to be employed in Japan as an outcome of some of the study and the research she's done. What we saw demonstrated tonight with so many Māori graduates just gives you that feeling, oh gosh, I'd like to study here because there's friendship, there's laughter, there's camaraderie.